Hi everyone, welcome back. One thing I forgot to tell you in the previous video was that I told you that we use that underscore just for indication of private property, which is correct. But although have also told you that Python is not in Python everything is public, not private. So I'll give you an example again. I have created the same class, but I have just changed the name to val3. Now if I change the if I create a object now say my val underscore c is my object of my class val3, and it takes the completion type. Again I'll say that's a cased, and then I'll say it has two zones and it has 1500 feet of depth. Now if I want to see val underscore c dot my completion type, so what I'll have to type is I'll simply have to type of completion, that is self dot type of completion, right? So it will give me the cased, correct. But in previous video what we did was we just changed the here underscore, right, to just the indication of private property. And if I'll have to now if I'll have to check the completion type, well, what I'll have to do is I'll just add here the underscore. It will also give me the same result, that is cased. So no, I have told you this in the previous video, but now what new thing what I want to tell is I can I although it is just indication that okay it is a private property, but I have told you that in Python nothing is private, we can change it. So if I want to change it, what I'll simply do is val dot underscore sorry double not underscore type of completion. I'll simply change it to, let's say, slotted liner. Okay, and now if I do this, now if I want to check this underscore type of completion, you see it has been changed to slotted liner. So this proves that although I was just giving it an indication, just treat this as a private property, although it is a public property. It means we can do changes whatever we want. So this was all that I wanted to start with. Now let's move on to the new topic, that is name mangling. What name mangling mean is I'll just delete all this as of now. Now instead of underscore we use double underscore here. We simply use a double underscore here. Now if I create an object, like now if I create object val c, again I'll val d this time, let's say, then my object will be, this time it has this slotted liner, and then it has zones, let's say 4, and it is a depth of 3900 feet, right? So if you want me to check the completion type, what I have to type is I'll simply write in this format, right? I'll use double underscore. So I'll simply write val underscore d dot this, and it should give me the slotted liner. No, but it gives me error. Why this is happening is, so let us first check that what this val_d contains. Okay, what val_d contains in these values of instance variables. So how can we check that is, we can simply use the measure of val underscore d, that is my object name. After object name what you write is underscore dict underscore, and now if you run this code, you will see what you will see is that okay, my number of zones and depth of val is as it is, as I has given in the variable instance variable depth of val and number of zones. But my instance variable for this completion type was underscore type of completion, right? But it has been changed to, this means it has been changed to this new thing has been added, that is underscore and the class name to my this type of completion instance variable. Why this is happening is, why Python does is that so that this variable remains associated with this class only. I know this is not a good explanation of this, but in the coming videos we'll learn about a new concept called inheritance. So in that I'll explain you why this was happening. You'll understand there in those videos why this name changing is happening, that underscore if you use. So and this is also, again, this is, I have written here specifically that this underscore name is not a convention, unlike underscore name. That was just a convention to indicate private property, but this is a rule. If you want to mangle any name, you have to use double underscore, and then you have the name. So this is not a convention, this is a rule. right? So this is all about this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you for joining.